Volvo has officially commenced production of its highly anticipated EX90 electric SUV at its state-of-the-art facility in Ridgeville, South Carolina. This significant milestone marks not only the arrival of a new flagship electric vehicle but also Volvo's commitment to sustainable manufacturing and its strategic expansion in the North American market. The production of the EX90 in South Carolina represents a major step forward for Volvo as it aims to strengthen its presence in North America. The Ridgeville plant, which has been pivotal in producing several of Volvo's popular models, is now the epicenter of the brand's electric future in the region. This move underscores Volvo's dedication to local manufacturing and its strategy to cater to the growing demand for electric vehicles in the United States. The Volvo EX90 is more than just another electric vehicle, it is the brand's flagship electric SUV, embodying the pinnacle of Volvo's design, technology, and sustainability efforts. Built on Volvo's scalable product architecture, the EX90 boasts advanced features and cutting-edge technology aimed at delivering a superior driving experience while minimizing environmental impact. The EX90 is equipped with a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, providing impressive power and efficiency. It offers a substantial electric range, making it a practical choice for both daily commuting and long-distance travel. Volvo's commitment to safety is evident in the EX90, which features the latest in driver assistance and safety technologies, including advanced LiDAR sensors, enhanced autonomous driving capabilities, and Volvo's signature safety cage design. Volvo's decision to produce the EX90 in South Carolina aligns with its overarching goal of becoming a climate-neutral company by 2040. The Ridgeville plant has been optimized for sustainability, incorporating renewable energy sources and efficient manufacturing processes to reduce its carbon footprint. This commitment to sustainability extends to the materials used in the EX90, with a significant portion of the vehicle's components made from recycled and sustainable sources. The production of the EX90 in the United States also reduces the environmental impact associated with long-distance shipping and logistics. By manufacturing locally, Volvo can ensure that its vehicles reach North American customers more efficiently. Further supporting its sustainability goals, the start of EX90 production in South Carolina is also a boon for the local economy. The Ridgeville plant has created numerous jobs, providing opportunities for skilled workers and contributing to the economic development of the region. Volvo's investment in local manufacturing infrastructure demonstrates its long-term commitment to the community and its role in driving economic growth. Moreover, the production of the EX90 in South Carolina strengthens the automotive supply chain in the United States. It encourages the development of local suppliers and promotes technological innovation within the industry, fostering a more resilient and dynamic manufacturing ecosystem. The launch of the EX90 production is a clear indicator of Volvo's ambitious plans for the future. As the company accelerates its transition to an all-electric lineup by 2030, the EX90 stands as a testament to Volvo's dedication to innovation, sustainability, and excellence in automotive engineering. Volvo's strategic focus on electric vehicles and sustainable manufacturing positions it as a leader in the evolving automotive landscape. The EX90, with its blend of luxury, performance, and eco-conscious design, is poised to set new standards in the electric SUV market and redefine the future of mobility. The commencement of EX90 production in South Carolina marks a pivotal moment for Volvo, highlighting its commitment to sustainability, innovation, and the North American market. This milestone not only introduces a new flagship electric SUV but also reinforces Volvo's vision for a sustainable and electrified future. As Volvo continues to lead the way in the automotive industry, the EX90 embodies the brand's values and sets the stage for the next chapter in its storied legacy.